Okay, now it's time to see how you can move the image using a canvas. So I'm gonna add this, not this, and I'll go down here. I'll type canvas equals to canvas. It's gonna be showing our window. We're gonna have a width of 500 and a height of 500, and I'll type canvas dot pack. Then I'll create a photo image, let's call it car image equals photo image file. So file equals car sport car.png. Then I'm gonna type here image equals to canvas. We need to create this canvas.create image. I'm gonna set it to 0, 0, so on the top left corner. Put image equals to car. So image equals to car image. Let's run this to see what we have. We have it here, but it's not visible. To solve that, I'm going to put a comma here, and I'll type anchor equals northwest. Now if I run this, now the image is showing here, as you can see. Now let's define some keys that are going to be pressed. So window.bind W, and it's going to call move up, Control D, and here is going to be S A D. This is going to move down, left and right. Alright, let's define the functions. I'm going to type def move up event, and I'm going to type canvas. So canvas dot move, and this takes 3 arguments. First is the image, so image. Next is the x-axis, so it's gonna be 0, not gonna move on the x-axis. And next is the, I don't like that they don't show you here that this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is an image. So I don't know why PyCharm is not doing this, why it's not showing you what arguments you need to pass. And here I'm gonna put -10. I'm gonna define another one, define move down canvas dot move image, and it's gonna be 0. Now we're gonna pass 10. Then define move left and it's gonna be canvas dot move. It's gonna move the image, and now we're gonna pass a value for the x-axis because it's gonna move to the left of the x-axis. So I'm gonna put 10, and in the I direction, we're gonna put 0 because we're not gonna move in that direction. Next, I'm gonna create another one, define move right, and I'm gonna type canvas dot move. What we're gonna move? We're gonna move the image, and we're gonna move it by 10, by -10, and in the y-axis 0. Now let's run this. Now if I press, we have problems. Okay, I forgot to pass event again. Event event. Let's stop it. Let's run it again. Now let's move it up, down, left. So left is not working and right is not working. We need to switch the values for the left. So for the left, I'm gonna put -10, and for the right 10. Now if I run this, now it's moving right, left, down, up. So everything works fine. Right, this is how you can achieve the same thing using Canvas. And you can also define the arrow keys here, and we can call those functions for the arrow keys. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, and I will see you in the next video.